Hello, welcome again. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm standing. I'm speaking English. I'm helping you learn English. So today we are going to talk about present continuous. We are going to introduce a new tense to describe what we are doing at the present moment, at the moment of speaking, now, literally now. Remember when we talked about present simple? I usually wear a skirt. I never play football. He never drinks coffee. Mary rarely drinks tea. I'm 17. He is 99. So, there is the present simple tense that we use when we talk about facts. He is 17. He is a boy. He comes from America. He plays football. And we also use present simple to talk about things that we usually do, always do, sometimes do, or do every day, every night, every afternoon, very, very often. For example, he goes for a run every morning. He goes to work every day. But in English, there are 4 different present tenses, and today we are going to learn the second one, present continuous. The present continuous tense is used when we talk about something that is happening now, at this moment. I'm standing. I'm speaking English. You are learning English. In order to make this tense, there are 2 verbs. One verb is the auxiliary, and the second verb, verb number 2, this is the main verb. I'm standing. I am standing. Am is the auxiliary verb. This is actually the verb to be in present simple. You remember, be, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Now these forms of the verb to be are used as auxiliary forms, as the auxiliary verb in the present continuous tense. I am standing. Now standing, this is the main verb. Standing. Stand plus ing. This is called present participle. And we make the present participle by adding the suffix ing. Standing, playing, going, running, etc., etc. So we add the suffix ing to make present participle. The verb to be in present simple plus present participle of the main verb, they make together the present continuous. And we use the present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening now. Now let's see all the pronouns. I'm standing. You are standing. He is standing. She is standing. It is standing. And the plural? We are standing. You are standing. They are standing. Sometimes the main verb changes a bit. For example, the infinitive sit. I'm sitting. Sit, sit. Sitting, as you see, is written with double T. If the infinitive, if the verb is short, short, and the vowel is also short. Sit, sit, sit. We do not say sit, sit, no, sit. Short vowel, sit. In this case, we have to double the last consonant before we add the suffix ing. Sitting, sitting. It is written with double T. There are no changes in the way we pronounce the word. There are changes only in writing. Sitting or shopping, shopping, shopping. Again, short vowel O, it's not O, it's O, shop. Short vowel, so what we have to do is double the last consonant, double P, shopping. Do not make any changes if a verb ends in Y. I'm studying, I'm playing. We do not change the last Y.